In this video, I'm going to be covering a tool called Make Unnamed. So Make Unnamed is a very interesting tool because the tool doesn't necessarily fix any problems because the main function of Make Unnamed is to delete data. So how you use Make Unnamed is you drag over a section you don't want, or you want to fix, or you want to delete, and then you first make unnamed, and it deletes that portion of the graph. So there's no data for that portion. So just the green marker, the elbow marker, just disappears. So what is it actually used for if it just deletes data? Don't we want to keep data? So Make Unnamed is most useful when dealing with problems that is essentially unsavable or already bad to begin with. So what do I mean by this? So in this capture here, I just opened it up. I noticed when I scrolled through my first time that this elbow just is already just bad to begin with. Like it just moves around. Like I didn't touch it, it just moves around. So this is where Make Unnamed comes in. So knowing that this graph is or like this section is already bad, if I were to delete this portion and start over from scratch and use other tools to fix it, then it would make a better outcome than whatever this is, because according to the capture or the raw capture that I just opened up, this is the best apparently. Now, so let's put this into action. So let's say I delete this portion right now. So I make this unnamed and then start over. Let's see if we can make a better outcome. So if I would delete everything and just make it unnamed, we'll use some other tools to fix this. So since this is a long gap and the marker's not there, and the locators is, I don't think that's just it's not even the elbow locator, it's just something else. I think the best course of action is just to use the virtual join. So let's use that. So if I were to use the virtual join and use the bicep, forearm, and shoulder, click virtual join, you can see that it's already better than the original. And it's moving how it's intended to be, or better than how we found it. So it's not perfect, but this is what we have to deal with. We can never ever replicate what like the actual raw motion to be. We just have to try our best to try and make it as close as possible. So comparing this to the old outcome, so if I were to undo everything, if I were to go back to where it was before, you can already tell that it's way better. So that's what Make Unnamed is very useful for.